Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this Audi A5. So from menu screen, if we go to, let's see, nav, there we go. The bottom there you see destination. Each of the four corners, if you see any instructions in the four corners, you've got settings there, destination there. They correspond to these buttons around the rotary selector. So destination, we click this bottom left hand one. There you go. And you've got address, and you can move like so to the screen you want. So we've got address. Click address. There we go. Up to postcode. Click postcode. And I like this system, the rotary control, rather than, you know, flicking through all the letters. So P, R, and now we need numbers. And you see there, AA there, delete, list, and in the corner here, there's 0 to 9. So we need to press that button. Onto the numbers. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5, 4. It's defaulted back to letters, J, S. And then in the centre, if you click the centre, that would have been OK. You can start route guidance there, or add street, set a stopover, but start route guidance, there you go. So navigate to that with
Your route is being calculated. Please follow the road for 3/4 of a mile.
So that's it, that's how to set the sat-nav. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Audi A5. So from any screen that it's on navigation at the moment, we need menu, that's the best way. Menu, we go to telephone, click telephone, and you see there it's got search for new phone, or in the corner settings. Now each instruction in the corner corresponds to the buttons here. So bottom right hand corner settings is this bottom right hand button next to the rotary selector. So we'll click settings. Then down to Bluetooth, click Bluetooth. You've got Bluetooth discoverability, Bluetooth audio player, find Bluetooth devices, then bonded Bluetooth devices. So we want bonded Bluetooth devices. And you'll see my phone there, Barry's iPhone 11. Click on that. Your first choice is delete Bluetooth device, then hands-free connect or audio player connect. So basically, if one person's got his phone connected and the other person, you want to listen to somebody else's music, apparently people do that in cars, I don't know why, but you can play somebody else's music through the system. So I just want to delete this, so delete. Do you really want to delete this device? Yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Audi A5. The first thing you need to do is make sure your Bluetooth is switched on. Then we're watching out for it at the bottom. From any screen, there you go, from sat-nav, you can click telephone. If you've no phones paired already, or if somebody else is in the car, it will probably automatically pick theirs up. But here we go, search for new mobile phone. Or you can do it another way. You can go into the menu, navigate to telephone, to your highlight telephone there, click on telephone, and then the same screen comes up. So we're watching out at the bottom here. Search for new phone, mobile phone is highlighted. Click select. Then please check that Bluetooth is activated on your mobile. Well, it is, so we'll continue. It's now looking. It's already brought the phone up here. I'm going to wait for it to find my phone on the audio system. It's found it on my phone's found the audio system. I'm going to wait for the audio system to find my phone too, because if you do it too quickly, sometimes it doesn't connect. And then there you go. Then you have to start all over again. So it's found my phone, so I'll click on that, click there, hands-free. The connection's been established. There you go. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Does this pin match the pin on your Bluetooth device? Yes, it does. So click yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Yeah, click allow. connection's been established, Bluetooth connection has been established. So we'll look at the top there. That's in a car I was doing yesterday, an Audi A1, but that's the one in this car. So that's connected. Not all cars, not all Audis have the MMI system, the audio streaming. So if you go to tunes, you find a tune that you want to play, look at the bottom there. It used to be really easy to see because all this was in red, but there's been an update, and for reasons best known to themselves, they've now done it in kind of white on silver, which you can hardly see when it's sunny. But if I just click on that, it's a white triangle and 3 white circles. You can see there Audi MMI there's a tick next to it. So we'll do that, just knock that back. I'll turn this down, I'll turn this up, and then we'll control it from my phone. So honestly, the sound system in this car is fantastic. That's it, thanks for watching. I'm going to listen to the music.